To the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this superhero capes for kids. It came with a bag, and then it has some bracelets. And it came with 5 characters. So there's Batman, there's Captain America, there's Flash, and then there's Spider-Man, and then there's Superman.
Batman too.
Okay, you can open the Batman.
Can I open? I'll open Flash. Abe, open your tape.
Open your tape. Where's your mask?
My mask.
There's
is
the
over
mask.
Here. Here's the mask.
For Flash. Oh, this.
Ooh.
Ooh, cool. Oh, and it came with a lining, a yellow lining.
The mask.
This is the Batman.
And the mask.
Let's see. Wow, Batman. Nice. Batman, let me see you. Oh, cool. Let me see Mr. Superman.
Well, look
Aww.
at Superman.
Look at Abe, you look cool, Abe. That's a nice Superman outfit.
Here, Abe. It's over here, Abe.
So here's the bracelets. There's Captain America.
Captain America's blue.
Captain America, Mr. Superman. It's your bracelet.
Spider-Man show.
Just leave the Spider-Man, and there's Mr. Flash, and there's Batman. Let me see. Batman.
It's dinosaur.
No, it's not a sword. Look, it's a bracelet. No, look it. And then try to help you put it on.
Take care of it, okay? You look cute, Abe. You look nice and Superman. Mr. Batman. Ooh, it matches your shirt.
I put on that shirt.
Miss Captain America. Oh, there's your Captain America shield.
Yeah.
Yay! Do you like it?
Yeah.
Sword.